Miranda here doing life, and in my hand is an Ipsy Glam bag and my tea. You see my coffee cup here? It says be a nice human. I love that cup, and I also have a t-shirt that says that as well. Alright, before we get started, I just wanted to welcome you to my channel and say thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out and the notification bell so that you get notified of all my future videos. I do unboxings, unbaggings, cooking, lifestyle, vlogs. I do just about all of it, so stay tuned. There's probably something that piques your interest. Okay, so $10 a month right this second, but it's going up to $12 a month starting next month. They also have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. And then they also are going to have, starting next month, the Ultimate Bag, which is going to be $50 a month. $50 a month. That's a lot for a bag. But I think we're going to get like 12 items in there or something like that. It's like a ridiculous amount of items in there. It's crazy. Okay, so let me open this up. The bag this month is pink on this side. It's like a dusty rose color, and it says Ipsy right there. And then on this side, it has like all the galaxy constellations, that kind of thing on it. And then right there at the top, it has a little crystal. So it's a really cute bag, especially if you're into astrology and things like that. All right, so let's open it up. Let me find my card here. And let's get started. I'm gonna move my stool just a little bit closer to my camera here. Okay, so the theme for September is Find Your Light. I really like watching Ipsy unbaggings because it seems like everybody gets something different, and it's kind of like a clothing subscription. Watching all my friends, I can watch all their videos and I'm never seeing the same thing. So just because you see my bag doesn't mean you can't go watch 20 other unbaggings, because they're all going to be different probably. Or your own is going to be different too probably, because they're customized to what you like. If you like makeup heavy bags, you're going to have more makeup. If you like skincare heavy bags, you're going to have more skincare. Alright, so I've opened that up. First up in the bag that I'm pulling out is by Miranda. It's Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture is what the box says. Let's see. This rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter. Come on through. Sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, avocado oil, and instantly moisturize. Reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve your skin texture. What are you doing? Did you go through to get something? Oh, your phone. Say hello, Waylon. Waylon just about peed all over Matthew. He changed his diaper and all his pee went zoop. And oh my gosh, there's a lot of noise going on. And soaked his everything in his pack and play. Alright. Okay. Moving on. Moving on. That's why this channel is doing life. Because that's real life right there. A teenager coming to get his phone. Alright. That's my grandson, by the way. If you haven't been around my channel before, that's my grandson. And Matthew is such a great uncle to him. Uncle Stinky is what we've called him. Alright, so Miranda, that's the box. I don't know what a full size of this is, but it says massage evenly on freshly cleansed face, neck, chest and during the AM and PM. Alright, so opening the box. I think I opened it upside down, but there is a pet peeve of mine with this box. Do you want to know what it is? So this is the box. I'm going to close it up just for a second so you can see. Okay, I had to pause you a minute because they had to ask me a question about steak seasoning. Okay, so this is the box. This is my hand. This is the palm of my hand. Do you see? I mean, the box, I don't have like huge hands, but I mean, it's pretty good sized little box. But when you open the box, my pet peeve is in here because look at that. You have this huge box and a little bitty product. So that annoys me. I think it's wasteful. But anyways, so moving on, Miranda. I don't know if I've ever used this before or not. It's got a little bit of a, it's not totally full in there, but let's see what it feels like. Feels nice. We'll see. Doesn't really have any scent to it. I think I got it on my nose though. So there's that. There's the Miranda. Then next up, what do we got? We have Hanu Watermelon Illuminator Overnight Serum. I've never heard of this stuff. Hanu's mission is to bring confidence to everyone who uses their skincare. Not only is this water-like serum super refreshing, it smells like watermelon. It's made with a mix of superfruits like apple extract to nourish, hydrate, and refine your skin texture while you sleep. Apply a dime-size amount of the serum onto your skin. Pat it gently until it absorbs, let it work overnight, and then rinse it off the next morning before following your usual routine. So, there's what the bottle looks like. It's really cute. Packaging. Does it have safety? Yeah. It has a safety seal on it. So I do smell a little bit of watermelon coming off of it. Just a little. Okay. So there's that, and let's see what else is in here. I'm pulling out, oh, I told you, full-size product. You always get at least one full-size product, or that has been the case for me anyways. But this is a lippie by Ofra, and it's Ofra Madison Miller Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra, Gaido, and beauty lifestyle vlogger and mom Madison Miller. Highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and more. This airy liquid lip formula evenly coats your lips. So let's just see if it does. I know I have light pink on, but we're going to go for it anyways. It's a pretty color. That's going to be nice for fall. I like Ofra lipsticks. I've had them before. Then do we have one or two? I feel two more items in here. So the next one is, by Benefit. Gimme Brow is what the packaging. I hope you can see it. Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is. The bolder brows of your dreams are here. The water-resistant gel is loaded with teeny microfibers that fill in sparseness and add definition and shape to your brows while looking totally natural. Brow Shaping Newbie, the tapered brush makes application super easy. To fluff up your brows, use a spoolie to comb through them in an upward position. So let's open this. I have tried a couple of Benefit products and I do like them. So we have this teeny little thing of a brow pencil, I guess. Or, look at this. This is like a baby. Look how little that is. let's see. I don't know what color it is. I don't even have any on today. So let's just check this out. It's very hard to do when you're trying to do it in a phone, but I mean, it's brown. But I could see where it would be easy for someone who doesn't normally do their brows. So I don't know how much product's in here really, but I prefer, I think, the pencil over this. But anyways, I know that's not that great. But it is what it is. Okay, and then there's one more item in the bag here. And this says Velvet Pressed Eyeshadow by Phase Zero Makeup. Y'all can see, I just dropped the card. Let's see if I can pick it up with my feet. Let's see. Satin eyeshadow in velvet. Want no fuss makeup. Use every day. This brand has you covered with versatile on-trend products. For a plum smoky eye, use your fingers or brush to blend velvet all over your lids. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. I've never heard of Phase Zero makeup before. And I'm horrible at opening boxes. Okay. Look at the little bitty thing. That is so cute. Alright. If I can figure out how to open it. Oh, it's even got a little mirror. Isn't that cute? But that's a really pretty color, that velvet plum color. So let's swatch it. Ooh, that's soft. That's really soft. Ooh, pretty. I got a bunch of red on today, but that's really pretty. It's coming off very pink. Like on here, it's more purpley looking off the camera, but on camera it looks more pink. So anyways, all right, so there is our Ipsy for September 2019. This was our bag last month. What?
Is it good or not?
I'd probably make him a new one.
How much do you want?
4. Go ahead.
So then
two scoops. Yep. I do want to tell you a couple of my favorites that were in last month's bag. I used this. It is the Be Your Nails, and it's really pretty color. I had this on, and then let me see what else was in here. That, of course, we got a brush. Who doesn't love getting a brush? I love it. So, but this was like my favorite thing out of the August bag. All right. I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Also, in my Ipsy Glam Plus unboxing, which I will put a card up here for you, I have a giveaway going on until the last day of the month. And so I'm going to be giving away some products. So go over to that video, check it out, and enter that giveaway. All you have to do is be a current subscriber, like the video, and leave a comment. All right. See y'all later. Bye.